Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your understanding of trademark law with USPTO, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by familiarizing yourself with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or Visit the official USPTO website to access a wealth of resources related to trademark law. Explore the trademark section to understand the basics of trademarks, including what they are and their purpose. Read through the FAQ section to gather answers to common questions about trademark registration and protection. Consider taking the USPTO's online training courses offered for free, designed to enhance your knowledge of trademark laws. Review the Trademark Basics boot camp materials provided by the USPTO, which cover essential topics in depth. Download the Trademark Manual of Examining Procedure, known as the TMEP, to get a comprehensive understanding of trademark policies and procedures. Utilize the USPTO's Trademark Electronic Application System, or TEAS, to practice filing a trademark application. Familiarize yourself with the different types of trademarks, including service marks, collective marks, and certification marks. Learn about the importance of conducting a thorough trademark search before filing an application. Study the process for maintaining a trademark once it has been registered, including renewal requirements and usage. Analyze case studies available on the USPTO website to see real-world examples of trademark disputes and resolutions. Engage with community forums and discussions on trademarks, often linked through the USPTO's resources. Follow the latest news and updates on trademark law by subscribing to the USPTO's newsletters and announcements. Attend webinars and live presentations hosted by the USPTO to gain insights from experts in the field. Finally, consider consulting with a trademark attorney for personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.